So another basic street photography tip or technique I want to share with you is that it's good to go location scouting. Once the light's good, like it is right now, the sun is nicely setting, you essentially want to look at where the light's hitting people's faces, and ideally you want to photograph the nice light in people's faces. So usually I like to shoot P program mode, automatic, which is aperture and shutter speed. Use like a -1 or a -2 exposure compensation to get the background nice and dark and to get people's faces nicely lit. The nice thing is that what you want to do is essentially, they call this the lingering technique. So you find interesting areas, you linger, you essentially wait for the people to come to you. And the reason why this is nice is that you're essentially like a movie director, you're going location scouting for the whole day. But once you find a good scene or a good interesting kind of happening, you could just stay on this side of the street. So whether you want to stay on this side of the street and shoot here, or if you want to stay on that side of the street and just wait for people to do it. Between people, especially if you're in busy areas. So don't just walk to people's sides, kind of be able to walk and cut up in front of them. And so you could even treat it like, you know, you're a Jehovah's Witness or just someone just chilling. Just find a nice spot here, just chill and wait for people to come to you. And the nice thing is that people coming to you, you'll feel a lot less self-conscious, you'll feel a lot less awkward, and you'll be more bold, and you'll be able to conserve your energy. So when you find an interesting area like this, essentially just keep looking around, you're patient. And get some good shots while people are walking to you, right? So be bold, be fierce, get close, and learn how to linger and chill and work this in. Peace out.